Hey, good day. Today we're going to be using the quotient rule, which is with division. So you can see in your first example here, I have 2 to the 5th divided by 2 to the 3rd. So the whole purpose of this, we want to keep our base, and then we want to figure out what the exponent would be. So the base here is 2. Okay, so we put the 2 here. Next, you're going to look at the exponents. The exponent on top is 5. The exponent on the bottom is 3. So we will take 5 and we will subtract 3. So that's what I'm going to plug in right here. I'm going to put in 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 will equal a power of 2. So how did I get my answer? I said 5 minus 3, which was right here, kept my base of 2, bring my base of 2 over, subtract 5 minus 3, and I get the power of 2. Alright, so that problem is completed. So this is the algebraic way you'll see it, especially on formula sheets and so forth that you will have sometimes. So again, A is my base. Alright, so the format here for you to remember is M minus N. Okay, that is the algebraic way we would do that. So let's look at a couple more examples. You can see those examples are here again. Alright, so a few other examples I have here. This one, the base here is 5, so I put a 5. 8's my top number, so I put 8 first. I subtract 2. 8 minus 2 is 6, so I get 5 to the 6th power. Okay. Next, we have d to the 4th divided by d to the 2nd equals, so I put the d because that's my base. I take 4, I subtract 2. 4 minus 2 is d to the 2nd. So let's come over here to this example. We're getting a little bit bigger and more detailed. So we have bases of 2, 3, and 5. So I have them listed here. Now we have to look at the 2. You can separate these, okay? You can draw a line straight down here if you want to keep them separated. So we had to take 5 minus 2. So 5, let me go up here and get my subscripts. 5 minus 2. Okay. Next, for 3, we have 5 minus 4, because that's the powers there. So we're going to do 5 minus 4. And then for 5, the base of 5, I have a 2 and then I have nothing. Well, remember, I told you on previous lessons that the 5, when you have a base of 5, there may not be a number here, but there is a known 1. Okay, so it's 2 subtract 1. So 2 subtract 1, okay, will give us, let's get these back so we can get everything on the same screen. So we will have 2. Alright, so 5 minus 2 will equal 3. And 5 minus 4 will equal 1. So you can put a 1 here if you would like, or you can just leave it as a 3. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So again, the 5 doesn't need to have a 1 either, because we know as long as there's a 5 there, there's a 1 there. Okay, it's a known 1. So let's come to the next example. Our next example, we have M. We have 7 minus, there's nothing here, so we know there's an assumed 1 because there's a 1M there. Alright, so we are going to put 7 minus 1. Okay. Then this is multiplication sign should be in here. I'll put that back. I'll put that, well, I'll do that right now actually. Let me unsuperscript this and give me a time sign. Alright. Because we're multiplying all these. So then let's bring the n back. Alright, so we have m, 7 minus 1 is the exponents for subtracting. For n is my base, I have 5 minus 2. So we're going to plug that in right here. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So then our final answer, we have to look at our exponents and we have to subtract them. So 7 minus 1 right here will equal 6. And then 5 minus 2 will equal 3. So there you have it. 4 more example problems for you to look at as you're working through the problems. Good luck today.